Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn about the Android Studio, available options, support, the tool kit, whatever is connected here, all these are going to be understood clearly. Before we go in depth into it, please understand that Android Studio is the official IDE for Android app development and it is completely based on IntelliJ IDEA. So they are the guys who manufacture, who produce in fact a lot of IDEs which are very superb, and Android Studio is very nice because of their effort too. And over and above whatever IntelliJ guys have given, Android Studio offers you more features to it. It is having a very flexible Gradle based build system. I spoke about what is Gradle and all those things in the previous session. It has got a very fast and feature rich emulator. We can select any phone that you want and it supports a vast range of options for you, and it's really very fast as well. It supports unified environment where you can develop for apps for varieties of Android devices. There is no particular thing that you need to be only connected to only phones which are based on Android. You can develop apps for varieties of devices. We also have facility to go ahead with the GitHub integration. Extensive testing tools are available and linked tools are also supported, like you can catch the performance, understand it. You can understand the usability, debugging, troubleshooting, all those things becomes much more easier. C++ and NDK support is also there. Having said that, it's time for us to understand two views which are available here. I am going to this button. You can see that we have got a project view and we have got Android view. This project structure is what I am presenting you here. This will have the contents like the Android app modules, library modules, Google App Engine modules, all those things. This will present you clearly the Gradle related files as well. I mean the build related files as well. But for you to understand things easier, I will go ahead with Android option. This Android option is a simple thing which is displaying you in the Android view where you will have manifest. You can see that there is manifest. You can see that there is Java. You can also see there is RES. So the manifest is what is containing the Android manifest.xml file. The Java will include all the Java source code files including JUnit test code. RES is all about the non-code resources which can be like XML layout, UI strings, bitmap images and all those things. The Android project structure is very simple for you to understand. That's the reason I opened it. You can see the Gradle related content as well here. This is all related to build. Now having said that, this is the structure that is available for you to visualize, and now it is time for you to go ahead and understand what are all the user interface related controls available in this system. So the first one that we are going to learn is the toolbar. You can see that here all these are the options that are available for you. Please understand what is this? This is the toolbar. Now what do we do with this? The toolbar will help you in carrying out all the operations, like you can build, you can run, you can launch multiple tools with it. You can see that all these options are available with this toolbar. So this is something that you need to understand. So we have got toolbar with us. Now what is the next thing that you need to know? The navigation bar. What is it? The navigation bar is here. This is called navigation bar. You can see that here. I can quickly navigate. And what is it meant for? Very simple. It will enable you to navigate through your project and you can open the files for editing and correcting it. It will provide a more of a compact view for you. You can understand the complete view here, and that is going to be very easy for you. So the first one is like tool. The second one is like navigation. What is the third one? The third one is very important, which is called the editor window. So this is the editor window. What do we do here? This is where you type code, you modify code. You can select, you can add, you can modify, you can edit, you can do whatever you want in this editor window, and this is where the code goes, right? The next one is going to be very interesting and important as well. The tool window bar. The tool window bar is special because it runs throughout. You can see that this side is there, right? The side frame which I'm going through. You can see that these are all the members of the tool window bar. Okay, they contain the button and they allow you to expand it. For example, when I want to go ahead with device manager, I can click that. This is a content. This is one of the options in the tool window bar. Now I want to go ahead with emulator. I can click that. Now I want to go ahead with event log. I can click it here. So problems, terminal, logcat, which we will use quite frequently from here on. So all these are available in the side frame here, and that's called as the tool window bar. And the next one is, okay, the tool windows is the next one that we are going to see, right? So all these can be called as that. So whichever you expand separately, they can be called. For example, when you open a debugger, when you open a terminal, all these can be separately called as a tool window. Now the status bar is very, very important, which we need to know. What is status bar? We can go ahead and understand the status of the operations. What do you mean by that? Very simple. This is what is called as the status bar. So you get the complete update. This will help you to get the display of your status of the project and the ID itself. Many warnings, messages, all those things will be displayed here. So we have discussed all these very simple components here. We started with this topmost component, which is referred as, which you can understand as the toolbar. This is the first one that we discussed. The second one is the navigation one. The third one is the editor option. The fourth one is the tool window bar. That's the one that is available in the side. And tool window specifically, whichever tool you select and then open it, it is called as the tool window, and the status bar finally. These are all the 6 most common things that you will be using quite frequently, and I hope you understood the way you need to use it. Don't worry much about it. We'll start using it and you can learn it much better in the near future. Thank you very much for following the channel, the content. If you have any questions, go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.